How much be this biscuits?
100 naira.
Bros, I beg, how much be this?
Okay, this one 100 naira.
What of this one?
This one 1,000.
Okay.
Now lie.
Okay, bros, give me 900 naira change.
Hello my people, to the sub, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. Guys, please keep watching because YouTube, what did they do me? My mouth no fit talk. But nevertheless, I'll keep posting. So just subscribe if you're joining this channel, you are meeting this channel for the very first time, or you've been watching and you're yet to subscribe. Please subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my video. They're very, very important. You get so the play. Let's go have some fun.
Mama! Customer, good afternoon. I want buy bread.
Funnybros.
How much?
Hey, just 1,000 naira.
Ma, give you that.
For Lila, no worry.
Okay. Attention. All market may be at a lot. Yes, I'm missing all of us for this market. We don't agree, so we go beat a chilling. I will get back to you. Mama, well done. You watch last match? Mama, you don't try. You dey crazy. This place look like football field for your eye. I mean, they play match for this place. Something they worry. Mama, relax. You never reach like that now. What about selling jersey, football jersey? You know, hang it around. Boys go like them. They go rush them. You smoke go. I be madness in your head. Make I sell jersey. For when they sell food stuff. You never tell me what you want by you. You better talk now, or else I will pour you water. I beg if you just give me 2 cups of Gary before evening. Hey! Bro, I greet you. Attention. Everybody follow. What can you do? I don't know what you want by. But just manage this one. Bro, thank you. About. If you like somebody don't give a I'll call you back. But you know I'm bigger than that. I know. Your days belong. Okay. Come again. Yes, ma'am. What petty you want buy a peg? Now why will we they call and go? Give me 1 cup of Gary, 2 sugar. No. He got. Hey! Madam! Hey! Madam! Na madman no? No, na barrister. He won't go judge case. I know that I don't top the pursue madman. So you know. I want one. If you give me 2 cups of Gary before this time, everybody fall out now! Fall out, everybody come out! Hell!
I remain convinced if you deceive our society.
This guy,
Kumba, Kiss Daniel just commented on your video.
Bado.
You should sing. You have a unique voice.
You
should sing. You have a unique voice.
Balo the greatest. Kiss Daniel. My guy, you want jump? You should sing. You have to. You know in that studio. You still tie the towel. Towel is never no problem.
Kumba, still reason the comments. What you go do?
Should I start singing? See Mumu, and I dream with a dream. Picnic in the woods. Lion don't pass. Run the snake. Hey, they don't complete too. 3. And I name na sorry. But I'm not going to even reach them.
even a driver.
Why you shouting? Why you shouting? Everything they shout.
Sabinus, okay, respect. So Sabinus, it has gotten to the level that you did not realize that I'm inside this car. You stopped to pick a lady.
Madam,
You, they go now, they go.
they don't disgrace me now. Yeah, they go now. What are you still doing here now? What you want me to disgrace me finish for your front? You.
Sabinus, give me my car keys now.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I don't even know how I employed you. Young lady, sorry for that embarrassment. Please come.
Jesus!
Women.
Okay?
This girl. Oh, Jesus. You be good digger.
Thank you.
Okay, that's the same thing I do now you do. Sorry, eh?
Sir, respect.
If you order me, I will give you a dirty slap. Let me ever see you in my house.
Sir?
If you don't live there, I will crush you.
Madam, what are you doing inside that car? You don't
Can
talk
you,
about
can you imagine?
They see women, you be mumu. Hello, sir.
But this are
Hello, you dropped a man to pick a woman. Oh.
He dropped the man.
I'm going through a lot this period. This period is senior.
Husband, don't they hungry you?
That the country, Jim, be connected.
Jesus!
Never call this number again.
Prepare woman.
I'm sorry, Joe. Are you good?
No, I'm not fine.
Why?
I want to change my phone.
What phone do you want to change to?
60 Pro Max.
That's small now. Call your plug. Call your plug.
Tell me what you're down for. Am I still yours? Sick of the ping pong. Cause
this is Dixie Fek, #1 phone vendor in Nigeria and Africa. I'm the help display.
I want to get a 60 Pro Max. Can it be delivered today?
Yes. So as soon as payment is made, we have fast dispatch riders that can get it across to you, and we also do nationwide delivery.
Okay. Good.
My app don't start this rubbish. Don't worry, tomorrow now. Tell them tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow.
No problem. We're always here for you.
I don't wanna leave.
Let's do it.
Going back and
Alright, collect one. Tomorrow you will still tell them another thing.
I don't think I'm going to pay for the 60 Pro Max today.
Who could they kill you, man? You don't get half house. You call somebody again, it's gonna be fire all your family members. Bastard.
Oh, the struggle. The suffer is real.
Well, post for status.
Are you good?
I'm not fine.
What?
I want to change my phone.
You don't change your phone?
Call your phone.
Brother, how you doing now?
The same
The
thing.
Lord loves you. Oga, come now. What did they worry? Where they worry yourself? I can't preach the word of God for you. There is a work. Can't leave me. Both of them are force. They ask me whether I'm force. You don't trace.
Now by force.
Now you create yourself. What did I do again now? You don't ask me whether I'm by force. I got tell you say God love you. There is a work. They leave me. But leave my go now. So like what I was saying, you know the Lord. This boy, I be like, sir, they use me to the play. But he said that before stop. Play your mouth. You won't blow my mouth. I'll blow your mouth. You won't blow my mouth. Oh. You won't blow my mouth. Huh? But they say you say God love you. They tell me say you won't blow my mouth. Boss, you go accept this Christ or you not go accept him. Boss, that's man fold you to Christ. No, man fold you to Christ. Oh yeah, no problem. You not grace? No verse. Say Lord, I accept you. Accept you. From today I will follow you. For today I will follow you. I will no longer be slave. I will never be slave. To the world. To the world. But you get up. Okay. You get the way you behave now, you lose it. You lose it. Oh, you're leaving now. Man, come on. Get up. You go wash short toilet for all the stress so you don't stress. But you see the home again. If you do any, I go put you come up for granted. When force before. I don't know how I go force you to Christ. Okay. The Chris. Okay, sorry. No. The vision I create to myself. Then you misbehave best. Boss. Vision about that.
Now by force to accept God.
Finish her. You finish who? See, babe, let me tell you, I'm tired of all this nonsense. If you know you can't satisfy me, just get toys. Let's spice this thing up. Me, I'm tired though.
It's okay now. If it's toy, you tell me now. I'll maybe play. Hold on. Good. Everywhere good now. Take this one. Shoot me, I shoot you.
This is Balo. This is what to be named. Madiba, you more.
Hi God.
They say toy, you look at the toy.
End up with this man.
This guy move.
Where is that? Tell you we break the journey. Where is that, Gary?
me, Joe. Because of me, you want to break the door. Bala. Ah! Who's that one? Get me. Ah. Go.
Last one, family building.
Oh, go. Motima, no, I know why is the one that's always too much. It's the one that's always too much. Give me Bala.
Adult life.
Why are you stretching your hand?
Rent increment.
No, why are you stretching your hand? So you have given me one before. Why is it your hand again? Down.
Adult life. And you go still pay him more. You go after all this complaint, you go pay him.
Waiting be this. Where is that one? Anybody? Who is knocking the door?
No, they don't know.
Say the person not knocking himself. Who is that?
School.
Who give you pay?
School fees.
When they give you bill, why don't you collect it? No, why don't you collect it?
You don't go pay school fees.
Yeah, take. Why give them back? Tell them I don't want. They go
send her come back.
As what? What's that? At what age?
They go send her come back from school. The frequency returning bill.
Let me just go on the internet. Let me keep my soul.
You don't break your phone. No? Data bill.
Finish journey. I've never finished.
Bill don't buy adults. Which bill this time? Dog bill. Now you won't get dog now. Which dog? Babe billing. Babe billing.
They really breathe.
Now you they give babe money.
Hello? How far now?
You versus data.
What's the title of the film? Oh yeah, now I have data. I will watch it now. I have data. Kilo Shelley. What happened?
I don't want peace.
I was never alone. I had always been complete.
You have 0.90 MB. That I don't finish.
It is a pity for you.
Not I want color embossers. Activated 75 gig monthly plan at 18K was successful. Voila.
Jesus!
Next video. You don't go watch the video again. I believe you won't watch, Momo.
Oh bro, person of you boost of 1K from your account. Now like this person go the hungry will kill him.
I get one guy who always turn up for me. He always got my back.
Afa, I beg, even if na borrow, I beg, we find we pay him back. The person chop.
Ma call him.
Now me you dey call you. So now we dey always got ourselves back. So like this now, if you broke, I dey broke. Why can't you spend wisely?
You why can't spend?
You would spend anyhow.
No, you dey spend anyhow.
No fit save.
Okay, you change the girl. You don't change the girl. I ain't make go wear mask.
How much be this?
Another girl be there.
100 naira. Bros, I beg, how much be this? Okay, this one 100 naira. What of this one? This one 1,000. Okay.
Now lie.
Okay, bros, give me 900 naira change.
Jesus!
Brother, are you there?
Photo.
Brother, if you know get 900 naira change, just say and give me 9 biscuits now.
You don't use the
I am
mouth.
marriage. Useless man. The only thing you can do is to eat. Eat in this house. Nothing else again. I'm leaving your house for good and I'm not coming back. Rubbish.
Men don't like stress. You don't come back.
I said I'm leaving the house.
Okay, no problem.
I'm set.
You go still come back now.
I'm leaving, oh.
They go now.
The first time. See John, you can go.
Go now, no come back. You don't want me you come back. Why you stress yourself? You never want to go.
Is it that you don't hear what I was saying?
You don't hear now.
I said I'm leaving this house for good. That I'm not coming back. I am going fine now. I won't come back to this house again. I am done with this marriage.
And I said, okay. Oh, you transport money, right? Oh, don't worry. I got you.
So now you go even still give you transport money where you go take it.
Now, you can now go now.
Keep the change.
I can now go.
Save Johnny, bro. Save Johnny.
You don't go again.
See, this is the way. This one think I will beg her.
Go collect your money back. Go collect your money back.
Rubbish.
Go collect your money back. If not me, I will collect my money back because she no come out since as I can't give her money. She can't enter inside house again. I will ask for my money. You give me my money. Now guys, we no get sense now, and then they do all this nonsense fee, and then they get all that nonsense fee. You understand? So that's it, my people. I believe you enjoyed yourself. You understand? What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please, 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 I keep begging, interact with this video. Comment, share, subscribe, make YouTube know, say, okay, oh, this channel is back. You feel me? So just do it for me. And check out my other videos as well. Check them out. It's very important. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. You love them. Trust me on that. Trust me. So see you in the next one, my people. Peace out.